So we're going to make this today. This is a fried tofu with a really simple, easy, sweet and sour sauce. It's really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've just cut that one open there. You can see it's super soft and beautiful inside, lovely and crispy outside with a nice tangy sauce. Really, really, really delicious. So you can see this has been cut into this shape, fairly thick like that. Now let's just have a little chat about it first. When you buy this, you can buy it in different grades. For what we're doing, you're going to need firm or extra firm. Some of it is almost like jelly, you know, you can get this really, really soft one. So firm or extra firm is what you require. It comes in water. Drain the water off, and then you need to press it. You need to drain the water out of it. So what I do is I get a chopping board with a tea towel or cloth on it, and then another cloth on the top of that with another chopping board, and then something heavy on the top just to kind of press it down a little bit. I'll leave it for like 5 minutes. So there you go. We're ready to get moving at the cooker. So I've got here a flat skillet or frying pan, and I'm using some sunflower oil. You can use any oil that you want. I've got about 6 or 7 tablespoons in there. You can shallow fry it, you can deep fry it, it's up to you. Very simply, we're gonna drop it in, and we're gonna fry this for just about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. And you can get it as golden brown as you want. So yeah, I'll flip that over in a few minutes. Okay, so off goes the heat. You can see it's nice and crispy, golden brown there. Now it's going to be really soft and beautiful in the middle. So I'm going to take these out, put them onto some paper towel just to drain any excess oil off, then we can move on. Okay, so I've now placed our tofu on a serving plate, just like that. In here I've just got 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. If you wanted, you could use sesame oil. I've got 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic and 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger here. We're going to pop that in. To that I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm not adding salt because of the other ingredients we're going to use. I think it's salty enough. So we're going to go with 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy, and that's why I'm not using the salt, and 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. As you can see, we're on a high heat, and we're going to go just for 1 or 2 minutes stirring all the time. This is going to be our beautiful, easy, simple little sauce we're going to have. Chopped green onions, toasted sesame seeds, and we're done. Really simple, really, really delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.